Futuristic House Design 2023. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we present the most awe-inspiring and visionary futuristic house design ideas for 2023. If you're fascinated by cutting-edge architecture that pushes the boundaries of imagination, you've come to the right place. In this video, we take you on a mesmerizing journey through the world of futuristic home designs that are set to redefine how we live, work, and experience our living spaces. Our team of experts has scoured the globe to curate a selection of avant-garde houses that embody the essence of 21st century living. We embark on a captivating exploration of futuristic home designs that will leave you in awe. Our team of experts has meticulously curated a selection of visionary houses that epitomize the essence of 21st century living. From sleek and minimalist concepts to bold and unconventional structures, we present a diverse array of designs that redefine modern living. Witness the harmonious fusion of advanced technology, sustainable materials, and futuristic aesthetics, creating homes that are not only functional but also architectural masterpieces. We dive into the latest technologies integrated into these futuristic homes, showcasing smart home automation, AI-powered systems, renewable energy solutions, and eco-friendly features that prioritize sustainability without compromising on style or comfort. Experience the thrill of exploring out-of-this-world architecture that reimagines space, form, and functionality. From floating abodes to eco-conscious habitats, these designs embody the spirit of innovation that will shape the future of living. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a homeowner seeking inspiration, or simply curious about the possibilities of tomorrow, our channel promises to ignite your imagination and expand your horizons. From sleek and minimalist concepts to bold and innovative structures, we showcase a diverse range of designs that challenge conventional norms and embrace the possibilities of the future. Witness a symphony of technology, sustainable materials, and futuristic aesthetics that harmoniously come together to create homes that are both functional and works of art. We delve into the latest technologies integrated into these futuristic houses, including smart home automation, artificial intelligence, renewable energy solutions, and eco-friendly features that promote sustainable living without compromising on style or comfort. Experience the thrill of exploring out-of-this-world architecture that reimagines space, form, and functionality. From floating homes and ecopods to energy-efficient sky dwellings, these designs embody the spirit of innovation that will shape the way we live in the years to come. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a homeowner looking for inspiration, or simply curious about the future of living, our channel promises to ignite your imagination and expand your horizons. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find these futuristic house designs inspiring, and consider subscribing to our channel for more captivating content. We welcome your thoughts and comments below. Share with us your impressions and aspirations for futuristic living. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey, and we can't wait to be a part of your exploration of the limitless possibilities of futuristic house design in 2023. Stay tuned for more captivating videos coming your way.